Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Nikai top-load washing machine. First, ensure your machine is plugged in and the water supply is connected. Begin by loading your laundry loosely into the drum, making sure not to overfill it. Aim for about 3/4 full. Next, add your preferred detergent to the designated dispenser or directly into the drum. Finally, choose the water level that best suits your load size, typically small, medium, or large. Now, let's select the perfect wash cycle for your clothes. Your Nikai machine offers several options, such as normal for most daily laundry, heavy-duty for tougher stains, or delicate for your more fragile garments. You can also adjust the water temperature, choosing between cold, warm, or hot, depending on the fabric type. Some models also offer extra rinse or pre-soak options for enhanced cleaning. With your laundry loaded and cycle selected, it's time to start the wash. Simply press the Start or Power button. You'll notice the lid will usually lock automatically once the cycle begins, which is a safety feature. The machine will then fill with water and start agitating. You can easily monitor the wash progress through the indicator lights or the digital display on your machine's control panel. Once the wash cycle is complete, the machine will signal and the lid will unlock. Promptly remove your clean laundry to prevent wrinkles and mildew. For ongoing care, it's a good idea to wipe down the inside of the drum and the detergent dispenser with a damp cloth after every few washes. Also, remember to clean the lint filter every 3 to 5 washes to ensure your machine continues to perform at its best.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.